think he wants it, man. I think he's gonna come through that window to get it. You better put it out there.
Ah! Take it! I don't care! See? They were laughing at me when I was running.
They were laughing at you.
Shut up. Dang. I wonder if they'll eat it on my hand.
Probably.
Hey!
Don't crush my other bag.
Take them, dude. Don't open that window so she'll kill me.
Probably will. We gotta get out of here before they poop, though. There you go. Guys having 8 weeks or what? All right, man. We gotta get going.
What? We can't get out? We can't get out?
You're gonna get attacked if you get out. You're the boy that fed him.